what this is? This is my next model. This is not any kind of expensive watch. It's quite opposite. It's rather cheap, I would say. But I think it's going to be a really awesome model for my next upcoming video. For Studio Insiders, I'm going to create a video where I shoot this wristwatch on a white background, and I'm going really into deep details how I light this rather complicated product on a white background. How I work with all the glossy chrome elements, brushed metal that is on the band here, and also the face of the watch. I will show you all those details in Studio Insiders video. So if you are interested, then check it out. Go in the description, you will find a link to join with the Studio Insiders, and you will get to see how I shoot this wristwatch. Alright, so yeah, if you are interested, check out the link in the description and join with Studio Insiders. And as always, in the meantime, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's get ready.